Today we are playing Happy Wheels. I tried recording this several times, but it just didn't work out. So this is going to be part 1. Let's start off with 3D obstacle cars. Now let's look here. Everything is 3D. This is really cool. Be extremely careful here. Oh boy. Ah! Harpoons! That harpoon! Okay, loop-de-loop-woo! Come on, come on, come on. Go get it, get it, get it. Yes! There's that harpoon. Oh, my arm. No one needs arms in the world of Happy Wheels. Unless you're the Segway guy or someone who needs arms to ride their vehicle. Then you need arms. But the irresponsible dad, which I have to say is one of my favorite, if not my favorite characters, does not need arms. Even though he needs to hold on to his handlebars in order to ride properly. Sorry, Timmy, I forgot control ejects you. It's too late now. I like to make it through a level with Timmy intact, because that's a sign of great skill that you can keep Timmy with you. So yeah, let's do the Chaos City with the irresponsible dad, because why not? Too fat to get up. An ostrich! A freaking ostrich! An ostrich!
Oh, my leg!
Here's a guy about to commit suicide because sales are plummeting. As you can see, they're going off the board. And I thought I saved you, but it's... Oh my god! She's on the toilet! Ah! Oh, I thought I saved him from his suicide, but I almost did. I cut him in half, really. I tried to save your life, dude. I tried to save your life. I tried to. I'm sorry. Ah! No! Wrecking ball! Ah! Ah! God, this is hilarious! God, I can't get over this. Darn. God. There are some... She's running from her kid with... Oh crap, they all fell. Some parts of this are hilarious, but not all of them are. Like the ostrich. I honestly think that is hilarious. I don't know who she is running from with children. Maybe the ostrich. It was just an ostrich. How could an ostrich kill people? It's only an ostrich. What is an ostrich doing in the city away from its natural habitat? No! God. They have joined the dead people in their body parts. And now the ostrich has joined. Yeah, this is a very sick game. Normally, I'm not okay with I don't like violence in video games. I think it's kind of inhumane. Like, I'll play a violent video game if it's a good game. But if it's all violent and raunchy, then I won't play it. But for some reason, I am okay with violence in Happy Wheels. I don't know why. There, I saved you from your suicide. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, lady. I'm sorry, lady on the toilet. I'm sorry, toilet lady. God, this has to be one of my favorite levels. There's been a few where she's too fat to get up. There. Push the hobo in. Crap. Run! Something blew up and... This is lagging so much. Why is it lag? Too fat. Okay, no. I'm sorry. I love that level, but it's just too laggy. Now this has to be one of my favorite levels of all time. This is the obstacle course. Now, as you can look here. Ooh, sorry! I really killed the old man. Not show you what happens when you knock him in. Ah, my head. I hope I can make it through this level with Timmy. Oh! That happens. That happens. Sometimes you can see his innards just fly out of the pit. But that time you were fortunate enough. I'm sorry, Timmy. I'm gonna watch this. I find this amusing. This head's kind of jittering. I don't know why I find this amusing. I would not find that amusing in real life. I just want you to know that I don't think violence is funny. I just think it's funny in this game. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Okay, Timmy. No, Timmy, no! Timmy! I'm sorry, Timmy. Oh, God, I have one right up the butt. A little too high for the butt, though. Sorry, old man. I'm sorry you lost your head. Ooh, ooh, ah, ee, 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 ee. There. There. That harpoon is out of the way now. Ooh, gotta get. Ah! Why can't I fill up the speed? You know why? It's because a dead old man is in the way. Dead old guy, dude, is in the way. Oh, yes, I made it. Gotta keep going. Watch out for that. Watch out for that. Now this part could be hard. There goes the one on my butt. Good, you're almost there. And no! Oh. You trolled me. You trolled me. You trolled me. North Pole Rush. Let's try this one. This one has some not violence, but curse words in it, so I'm not going to play it. Ghost Train. Let's check here. Do we still have time? Yes, we still have time. Yes, we still have time. Run, human, run, too. That sounds good. Run, human, run, too. Uh-oh. Is this the Dust Bowl? Oh, it's the Ghost Train. I want to see the Ghost Train.
Damn it.
I'm trying to... Sorry, Timmy. Ow. There it goes. The Ghost Train. It's just the engine. No, there's more. I thought you were going to actually be on top of the train. But no. Wait, let me get on top of the train. Yes, I got on the train! I think that's why there's an X in that car written in blood. Now I passed the mysterious X car. Sorry, guitar dude, I'm sorry. I don't know who that guitar dude was. Let's pretend he's Paul Simon. Sorry, Paul Simon, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I killed you, Paul Simon. Oh.
Oh, God.
There goes my spinal cord. Oh crap, I'm boarding the train again. I still don't know what's going on in that X car. Okay, Paul Simon. No! Paul Simon, are you okay, Paul Simon? Sorry, Timmy. Where'd your legs go? This is a very good level. The vultures. They've come to feast on Timmy's legs. Oh, that was... Maybe I need to get on the train. No, not the X car. Yes, I made it here. I should be safe here. Oh, yes. Yes! Yes, yes! I'm on the train! I'm on a train with Paul Simon. I'm on a ah, my neck! I'm dead now. I've always wanted to be on a train with Paul Simon. Oh, let me check to see if I'm recording. Yes, I am. Oh crap, wrong button. No, not the X card, no! God, it's the oh, not the X card. No, yes, yes, I made it in here. It's safe in here. The X card is disconnected from the train. Well, kind of. There are still sharp and pointy things there. And they killed little Timmy. There goes the X car. Right on top of me. Good. I'm in the coal car. I'm sorry, Tim. I'm sorry, Timmy. It is a sign of great skill to make it through the level with Timmy unharmed. This is a ghost train. Why are people on it? Shouldn't it be banded if it were a ghost train? What happened? Okay, I have to stay behind the X car. I have to stay behind the X car. No, my turn. Okay, it's okay, Paul Simon. No! I didn't get to be Paul Simon. Oh gosh.
Oh God.
Okay. Sorry, Paul Simon. No, Paul Simon! Oh, I have to get into car that has the Paul Simon in it. No, yes. Oh. At least I got in the Paul Simon. Oh my gosh, am I still alive? No, I'm not. I don't think Paul Simon is either. I have some Simon and Garfunkel buff. It's like, I don't really know which one plays the guitar, really. I'm not a Simon and Garfunkel expert. But I just know Paul Simon writes all the songs. Good. Hello, Paul Simon. Paul Simon, no! No, Paul Simon! Look out, Paul Simon! Look out! This is what happened to Louis LaPrince right here. He rode this train and was never seen again. I don't think a single one of you know who Louis LaPrince is. But this is what I bet happened to him. He rode this train. Let's do the Mystic Cave. Do not enter. The Mystic Cave. It's so scary, it's a Mystic Cave. It's green and oozy, it's the Mystic Cave. Now it's red and hellish, Mystic Cave. Ooh, it's a puzzle map. Hey, it looks like the area is locked. Find the key. Okay, so I think I have to go here to find the key. So this is like a puzzle course. After this level, I think we'll be out of time. I found the key and it's red. Picked up the red key. No! Yes! Yes, Timmy! No! Timmy! Oh no! There's a... Oh my god! God! Seriously. This is an awesome level. I know there's one other level that has it's an asylum and it has Slender Man in it. Oh, yeah! I found a secret. Dang! I'm gonna go back. I need to get that secret. I hope it's a pile of toilets. I have to find the key. I have to find the key. I hold the stereo. I have to find the key. I have to find that key. I have to find that key. I hold the stereo. I have to find that key. The key must be in here. I broke my wheel, oh dear. I think it's starting over now. Lost my key. Wheel, oh dear. I broke my, crushed my wheel, oh dear. Now I'm going in the cave, oh dear. Why'd I go in this cave with my son? Look at his arms flailing everywhere. Why am I in the cave with my son? Now let's better run. We're running out of time. Hi, oh, the Dario. We're running out of time. This is the one. This is the one. This is where the secret is. This is where it is. This is where it is. Now this is awesome. I got a secret. The secret. I got a secret. Is this the end? Yeti's home. No, Yeti! Yeti! Now I am underwater. How can I pedal a bike underwater? No! It's the Kraken!
Oh, God.
Sorry, but that's all the time we have for today. See ya.